On cloud nine. On cloud nine means to feel extremely happy or excited. Let's look at some example sentences. Maya was on cloud nine after getting a dream job. The young author has been on cloud nine ever since her debut novel hit the bestseller list. Let's do an exercise to better remember the idiom. For the given sentence, replace a word or words with the idiom so that the meaning of the sentence is not changed. You have 5 seconds. Pause the video if you need more time. He was extremely happy after passing his driving test. He was on cloud nine after passing his driving test. Now it's your turn. Write a practice sentence in the comments. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more idioms like this. Thanks for watching.